Press the bell icon on the YouTube app and never miss another update.
Track 1 opens up new possibilities. This is an all-season, all-terrain electric board. For the first time, a track was developed with a patent-pending tire-like form factor. This allows for the board to benefit both from the incredible traction of a track and the fluid carving feeling of a board.
For the past 10 years, we've been engineering everything from drones, aerospace, all-terrain, and electric vehicles, and realized there's nothing on the market that combined all of this coolest tech into one portable machine. We used our electric car experience to reinvent the track as you know it. We do everything in-house. We imagine, design, patent, build, manufacture, and test every detail, all here at Flux. Our dream was to create a portable vehicle that allows you peace of mind knowing no matter what situation, storm, adventure, or daily transit demands you face, the Track 1 will get you there. Our planet Earth's terrain is a force to be reckoned with, and only our patented continuous track can cruise through whatever nature throws at you. Now go explore the path untraveled.
Hi, my name is Kevin O'Donnell, and I'm the inventor of Modobag. It all started a few years back after I met this little family of breakdancers. I sponsored them to fly out to New York to try out for Paula Abdul's With the Dance. As we're going through the airport, we're loaded up with backpacks and all the different gear, and the boys are taking turns as I'm pulling my carry-on, riding on top of it. All of a sudden I got the idea, you know what? Why not motorize these? What a better way to get around. Well, I was going to need some help, and the first person I thought of was my buddy Boyd.
We just got back from Daytona 200, we won, and Kevin came with this idea about the Modobag. And I looked at it and I thought, wow, this is a great idea. How can we make this a reality? You know, we've had all these different vehicles that we've put motors to, and I said we could motorize this. So immediately we went out and started getting some parts. One of the biggest hurdles was fitting all of this into a carry-on size bag. We wanted to retain at least 85% of the interior, and all of the parts that we use had to be really small. We started with skateboard parts, rollerblade parts, scooter parts, and we thought it's a good start, but we had to make it work properly. We've got CNC machine steering column, telescoping aluminum bars, foot pegs that pop out. We've got a lot of stuff that isn't on anything that's currently on the market.
It's carry-on size, it's got a 5-mile range, up to 8 miles an hour. It's 22 by 9 by 14.
Does it have a battery inside?
Yeah, it's got batteries, but they're both under 150 mAh, which is TSA compliant and UN compliant.
My name is Dennis Lorenzo with Cooper Airlines. I'm the senior manager of baggage. Here with Kevin O'Donnell. Totally impressed. I was like, what the hell is this? Impressive.
It is practical station this morning with my 2 toes, like lugging them across the street. Like I could have packed everything in.
We've gone through proof of concept. We've had over 100 people ride them. The response has been unanimously positive. No matter who you put on the bag, as soon as they get their feet on the pegs and hit that throttle, just a smile. Not only is it functional, but it's an awful lot of fun.
Oh my God, everyone tried this.
What do you think?
I thought that was so cool.
So after a year of really hard work and assembling a great team of people who have backed us all the way, we're finally at the point where we're ready to go to production. With your help, we'll be able to do that and change the way the world travels.
My name is Armin, I am the CEO of Leaos, and this is the dream of Leaos company. We are working, developing, designing now since 3 years on this because we wanted to create a very nice, clean e-bikes. It's not just a design object, it's a bicycle that you really can use every day.
Sono Francesco, designer, il mio touch, purezza. Dopo aver incontrato Armin mi sono subito reso conto che eravamo in sintonia, cioè cercavamo la stessa identica cosa, ossia creare un qualcosa che fosse quell'anello mancante tra bicicletta e motorino, creando per l'appunto una bicicletta elettrica. La mia vera sfida è stata quella di dover racchiudere tutte le componenti tecniche elettroniche all'interno di un unico volume, cioè di un monoblocco, soprattutto perché questo sul mercato non esisteva prima. La mia idea di design è semplicità, linearità, purezza. In Leaos Pure voi trovate questo touch, ossia una linea che percorre tutta la bicicletta senza mai interrompersi.
In the Leaos Pure we use an automatic gear hub which permits you a very smooth changing of the gears. In this generation we integrated all the technical parts. We developed new carbon mat guards which are totally integrated into the design. That was very important to us. Also integrated the lights in it. We have got an integrated motor in the middle. The whole chain is running inside. You don't even see it. You have now a really good sensation when you're driving it. It's really a pleasure to drive these e-bikes. What is an e-bike? An e-bike is a zero carbon footprint. It's the most flexible way to move in the city, on the countryside, to go to the work, to go to shopping. You are on the open air, you are pedaling, so the e-bike assists you and you do something for your health. From my point of view, the e-bike is simply the better way to move. So it's the future, and the future is really now.